Ancestors, a very spiritual song dedicated to
Melon.
Divine Mother, to all that is,
Not Divine Mother Melon.
to the energy that creates all. Dedicated to the melon.
Maybe in the tree.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Calling in all the different kinds of tea. Shakti, positivity, not anxiety.
Maybe some Yorkshire tea.
Yorkshire tea, English breakfast tea, but not endorsing the tea trade which destroyed many cultures. Apologising for my English ancestors, the awful British Empire, genocidal maniacs, that we were taught to worship as heroes in school, like Winston Churchill, but they were psychos. So I'm sorry if you were affected by my ancestors. Shanti, Shanti. Our ancestors really went kind of crazy to trade spices around the world and sugar.
I know.
Caused a lot of mayhem and chaos.
Was it really worth it?
How do we bring peace to the world?
We let it explode itself.
We crumble the old systems and welcome in the new ones. Create systems of unity, my favorite tea. A unity ceremony. And if you're aligned with unity, take a breath with me and say, this is how we bring peace to the earth,
Always silly sounds.
by being silly. Shanti,
Shanti.
Shanti,
Shanti.
Shanti. Maybe saying a special prayer honouring our ancestors for all the things that they created and all the opportunities that they have given us to express ourselves in this lifetime. Even though many of the things our ancestors did seem crazy to us now with higher awareness, it all contributed to this wonderful jigsaw puzzle that we call And now we can do better. And now we can choose to be more conscious. We can choose to be kind, choose to be united, peaceful, to love each other, to share. And maybe, just maybe, if we sing enough Oms, say Shanti enough times, we can make this world a really beautiful place for our children and grandchildren. Shanti, 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 Om, 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 Shanti. Shanti means peace for anyone who doesn't know. And Om is a sound of serenity. Or it's supposed to be. Say it right, with pure intention. Feel it in your soul. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.